My new favorite store to shop for the RV. Okay, so I am at Ikea. I'm looking for specific things for kitchen storage and spice storage. I saw these little small glasses last week. Now I'm hoping that they're still here. Come along with me as I shop at Ikea for Beige Betty. Okay, so I was looking at this at first for the shower. I need somewhere to put shampoo and body wash. Um, but it seems a little bulky. I saw this. And it's suction cups. $4.99. Suction cups on the back. And you tighten it up. Oh, that's what I'm thinking. What do you think? And then these would be for the washcloth bath puff. I think that's a good deal. And again, suction cups. So no holes. So I think I'm gonna get these. See, IKEA has a lot of things that you do not have to drill. Now this you have to drill because it'll show you screws. But this is suction cups. $3.49. And it's a double hook. You get 2 hooks for $3.49. They even have a towel rack with a suction cup. $12.99. So we have decided to, instead of buying paper plates, we're just buying these cheap plates, 45 cents. Pretty heavy duty plastic. And that's what we're gonna do. Instead of continuing to buy paper plates and paper bowls, 45 cents, all I have to do is wash. So the cost of paper plates, I normally get these, are $14.78 for 300. Now, you may say that that's a cheap price. However, they're not that sturdy, so you got to use 2, right? So really, you're only getting 150 plates for $14.97. Unless I got Chinette for $7.62 for 20. So I wanted to do just a little small price comparison on how much I have or would normally spend when I buy those paper plates, because I normally go through about 6 packs in a camping season. $89.94 is what I would normally spend versus $3.60 for regular plates that I have to wash. Can you guess which one I'm going to choose every time?